Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. Bacterial optical fibres help lasers travel further in murky water. So if there are any bacteria in some dirty, murky water, and you shine a laser into it, the bacteria actually help the laser to travel further through the water. But how? What's happening? What is going on? So as you may or may not know, when light passes through a liquid, it causes it to scatter, causes it to disperse. That's why if you're driving at night time and there's loads of fog, you can't see very far ahead of you, because as the light comes out of the headlights, it basically just spreads out as it hits the different water molecules. Zhigang Chen and colleagues at the San Francisco State University have done an investigation using cyanobacteria called Synechococcus. And in seawater, this enabled the laser to travel further through the seawater. This bacteria did. How? So it's because the bacterial cells have got a different refractive index compared to the water that's around them. And it also depends on this law, which states that the light exerts a force on the bacterial cells. So the light pulls all the bacterial cells in, then it causes them to align in the direction of light as it pushes them outwards. So they form a ring around the light beam, around the laser. And they form like an optic fibre all the way along around the laser. So they can direct and guide the light passing through them. Obviously, it's a very high-powered laser, so some of the bacteria die, but they're able to increase the distance that the laser can travel by a few centimetres, which is huge. So they're now looking to see if they can do the same thing with your red blood cells. If they can, it will enable much better images to be taken through body fluids. But you've just got a slight problem of killing off some of the red blood cells and the cells within the body fluids. Once they've got that sorted, it's going to be a piece of cake. So that's how bacterial optical fibre can help lasers to travel further. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye, love you, bye. Love you, bye.